Kristen received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and 15 others as gifts. What fraction of her total CD did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gifts? So you have a girl, Kristen, and she received a CD player for her birthday. Now she has a CD player. She bought 3 CDs. So she bought 3 CDs and 15 others as gifts. So she bought 3 CDs, but as gifts, she got 15 CDs. Okay. So how many total CDs she has? So she has 15 plus 3, 18 CDs. So total number of CDs is equal to 18 CDs. What fraction of her total CD did she buy? So since she bought 3 CDs, so if she has total 18 CDs, if she has 18 CDs and out of 18 CDs she has 3 CDs that those have been bought. Okay, so the fraction for this part, that what fraction of her total CD did she buy? So for the first part, the answer will be, since she bought 3 CDs and these 3 CDs are out of these 18 total CDs that she has, so 3 by 18 will be the fraction. Next part is, what fraction did she receive as gifts? Now, since she has total 18 CDs, out of this 18, 3 CDs have been bought and 15 CDs are she received as gifts. So if she received as gifts, then 15 divided by 18. So 15 by 18, this is the fraction for the second portion. What fraction did she receive as gifts? Okay.